What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I may be wrong here. I may be wrong by saying that XRP is going to be worth a crazy amount. I may be wrong, and I don't think I am, but I know that there is a possibility, right? I'm not ruling out the possibility of me being wrong in any scenario because I have been wrong before. But I have such high conviction for XRP, the community, the the parent company Ripple, the impact that we will see based on the conclusion of that case, whenever that does happen. I have such high conviction for this project that I feel as though we're definitely going to see this skyrocket to the moon. I can't see an option. I can't see an opportunity to where this is not going to do it. Even even if we do see some negativity that comes out of the parent company, right? Ripple, XRP is already labeled as not a security. It's free and clear of being a security and not being tradable on places like Coinbase or Binance or Kraken or any of these platforms. It's available in those platforms because of the fact that it is not a security, right? Um, so when we look at this case, I feel like I have to sneeze and it's building up. When we look at this case and we look at Ripple versus the SEC, we understand that this is a big impact to where XRP's price can be top side, right? Not on the bottom side. Um, However, if they say something like, we have to introduce all of the escrow because we don't want you owning that escrow, right? Then that could be something that does decrease the price just temporarily, right? It decreases the price down to a certain level of maybe half of where the current price is, which honestly, if it does, I'm going to buy more and probably double the amount, because if we're looking at decreasing that price by half at 25 cents, I would only have $20,000. It would cost me $20,000 to get another 80,000 if I wanted to, and I would spend the money to get that because I feel as though XRP is going to have that overall run and overall worth, right? XRP alone by itself has great utility, right? Is fast, is efficient, is secure, is everything that we want within a cryptocurrency to use on a basis of, here you go, here's my money for whatever your product is. This is the easiest way to do that, the most secure way to do that, the cheapest way to do that, and the fastest way to do that that you have out there. Um, so when I see people mention XRP as not being a legitimate project, or it all depends on this case. Yeah, for the temporary like time frame, the short term, that's where it all depends on that case, because the case is going to tell us if we have a positive outcome that it absolutely skyrockets XRP. Honestly, the conclusion in general, all the whole conclusion would lead to a overall price push for XRP, because we're like, all right, it's free and clear. Now they can do whatever they want with it. So when I talk about XRP, I know deep down in my heart, deep down in my soul, that I feel as though it's going to make that move up to way higher levels than what people expect. So let's talk about XRP. Let's show you where XRP is, and just have more bullish conversations about where XRP is going to go. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. You can check out the link for Twitter, for Patreon. You can check out my link for Margex if you guys are interested in trading on Margex. You can trade XRP up to 50x leverage. So if you feel as though XRP is going to skyrocket out of nowhere, you want to be a part of it where it is right now, even at a maybe $200 at a 10x leverage, or $100 at a whatever x leverage, because you feel as though this is going to make that move. You are putting a lot of risk into it because you still have the case that's out there, and you have a lot of negativity that could happen for XRP. But in the long run, things can look absolutely amazing for this project. So with that being said, feel free to check out my link for Margex. It does help out the channel tremendously. But if we look at my portfolio, it's the largest amount that I'm holding. If I sort it by the amount, right, the only one that comes up close is Kronos, where I have 30,000, 31,000. I'm actually down $5,000 on Kronos. It's down to 11 cents. Kronos is definitely taking a little bit of a hit. Honestly, I want to get more. So if it comes down to 5 cents, I'm definitely going to find a way to build on to that. But I don't think that will be the case. Either way, we're not talking about Chronos. The next thing that we have above that is XRP, right? $42,231. I'm up $289. I have a price average of 52 cents. This is right around where we are right now, meaning that I just continue to dollar cost average in, whether it's up, whether it's down, it doesn't matter where it is. I'm averaging into that position because I believe in this position. I believe where it's going to go. Now, we did see this at levels of 75 cents, 80 cents, 90 cents, and then it ended up decreasing down. Why did it decrease down? Because the case is just kind of over it as a dark rain cloud, a thunderstorm cloud, and whenever you have anything that comes out down as negative, it just rains upon it, and you see XRP that collapses quite a bit. Even though XRP doesn't generally have any type of major impact when it comes to Ripple versus the SEC. It's just the connection is so strong there that Ripple wants to use XRP in many of their payment options, banking, in just standard their standard payment option. You would see that they're going to utilize XRP because it's the best thing for their system, right? Whether you're talking about CBDCs or XRP, you're talking about XRP as the best option that they have that's out there, right? So when I look at XRP here, do I see a failure? Do I see a failure if it comes down to 40 cents or 30 cents? No, I don't. I don't see a failure because I know of what the ultimate goal is going to be. It may not be this year. I would love to see a conclusion to the case and to see it skyrocket and get its worth. It may not be this year. It may not be next year that it gets its overall impact. But the point is that when we get to that the bear market and we see the next bull market, we should see XRP completely solidify itself as that payment option, as the world currency by that time. But during this time, it's more of just like the community hype building phase, the push up to levels that we all believe it's going to get to, right? Levels of $1, $5, $10. But then when you start to see the major movement and major use, well, now it's 20, it's 40, it's 50, it's 100, it's 1,000, it's $10,000. And that's what makes me very exciting, right? Very excited. I want to know what you guys think about XRP and where it stands, what it's worth to you. If you feel as though it's going to the moon, I don't care what anybody says. This is my opinion, and I'm going off of this not as financial advice to anybody. I don't want anybody to go and say, oh, Matt gave me a ton of financial advice by saying XRP is going to run to $100. I believe it's going to run to $100, but it doesn't mean that you need to believe it just because I believe it. It's more speculative. I can bring you all of the facts that I can bring you, but those facts still have a speculation background to them. It's all dependent on what will happen here, what will happen here, what will happen here, right? So it's not necessarily saying that it will 100% happen, but I believe that it will 100% happen. That's just the way that I'm investing. And you can invest with a little bit more fear and risk, and either take on that risk or don't take on that risk. But I'm investing like I'm investing into something that's brand new, like it's the internet before the internet became what it is today, or like I'm investing into Amazon before Amazon became what it is today, or it's like I'm investing in Tesla before it became what it is today, or Nvidia, or whatever the company is. I'm investing in a system, and this system, I think, is going to be massive. It's just my opinion. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, check out my link for Margex as well as my link for Patreon if you guys are interested. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.